Hey everybody, it's Warhawk and welcome to Nerf Talk. I'm gonna talk a little quiet because inside this box I got a little surprise for a member of the Nerf Talk crew, Bullseye. So if you all don't know, Bullseye, his favorite blaster is a Disruptor. And I was looking on Amazon the other day and I saw a Amazon exclusive, and it was a Disruptor with a new look, and I think it looks really cool. And he doesn't know that I have it, so I'm gonna go get him, and I'm gonna have him come in and open the box and take it out of the box and show everybody on camera. So give me a second, and I'll be right back. And make sure to say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Oh no, I'll be.
Hello.
So this is Bullseye, and I'm sure everybody knows Bullseye. So buddy.
Yeah.
I saw this the other day, and it was an Amazon exclusive. All right. So I think you'll like it. So so what I'm gonna ask you to do is just open it up, take a look, and then just kind of show everybody really quick, okay? And then just, yeah, I'll take it from you and then, okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now I've already opened it.
Okay.
As you can see, I already cut it. So you can take your chances if you want to open that or not. I'm just kidding. Here, buddy. Go ahead, open her up. Take a look.
What is this?
What does it look like?
No.
Yeah, what do you
Is
think?
that a Disruptor?
Yes.
Let's go!
Yeah.
Let's go!
Yeah, look at it. There you go. They kind of gave it a new look. So before I went and got you, I was telling everybody that this is sort of your favorite blaster.
It is.
Yeah, and I was like, oh, you know what? He is the one that's going to have to try this out. So just go ahead and show the camera really quick. Well, I don't, you don't have to get that close.
Okay.
Ooh, and I'll get the darts out. So of course, bud, we got the instructions, but we all kind of know how to use the Disruptor. Go ahead and show them that. That looks cool. Look at that.
Really? That looks cool.
Kind of has like a ice glacier kind of look.
Hey guys.
All right, you want to load her up? And then if you want, go ahead, just aim right over top of the camera.
If I hit it, whatever.
So what do you think? I was surprised to see it. I had no idea that this was actually for sale. So, woo! How's it feel? Go ahead and aim right over top. There you go. Wow, buddy, that looks like it fires pretty good.
It does.
Nice. Holy.
Wow.
Woo!
It shoots hard.
All right. It's okay. It's okay. So I'll take this from you really quick. Just grab some of those zombie strike cards. So there we go, guys. That's kind of a new look for the Disruptor. Like I said, I had no idea that this was for sale, and yeah, supposedly it's a Amazon exclusive. Well, I'm just getting you good darts because we're gonna test the slam fire. You want to do the slam fire? Or you want me to? Okay, sweet. So we're gonna test the slam fire really quick. So what? You like it?
Yeah.
So this is for you.
Let's go.
Because I know you and your Disruptor. Man, you should see this boy with a Disruptor. You put a Disruptor in his hands and it's scary. Like, duck. Because he's going to get you. He's going to hit you. I need two more. Two more, buddy.
Yeah.
Alright, so... Whoop. Drop that one. Ugh. Alright, ready?
Mm-hmm.
So slam fire, of course, everybody who does Nerf knows slam fire is when you hold the trigger down and prime. It should just automatically fire every time that you prime the blaster when you hold the trigger down. So here we go. Let's test this out. Test this out. Okay. Ba-ba. Here we go. Here we go. Wow, this thing. Disruptors rock, man. They just
do.
rock. They're awesome blasters,
And that's why they're my favorite ones.
yeah, so that's why I got this one, because I knew how much you would like it. So there you go, everybody. That's the new look for the Disruptor, and thank you, Bullseye. And there you go. See ya. Have fun.
All right, bye.
Try not to, if you're gonna get your brother and sister, give them a warning.
All right.
1 to 3 seconds, maybe.
Okay.
All right, buddy. Have fun.
All right.
So there we go, everybody. That is the new Disruptor look. And yeah, make sure to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and all that stuff. And of course, keep on nerfing. I stuck my tongue out.